Hello pipe community, Barepipe here. If you're a pipe smoker and you're a podcast listener, you're probably already listening to the Country Squire Radio and the Pipes Magazine radio show, which are the two big pipe smoking podcasts out there. I want to tell you today about a third one, and it's got a slightly different format from those two. This is Dave Allen's Maple City Pipecast. It's a shorter format show, 10 to 15 minutes, once a week at least, sometimes twice a week. And it fills a slightly different niche from those two. Both the other shows are at least an hour long. If you have a shorter commute or you just want to have a short listen to something, Dave's show is perfect for that. And the reason I'm telling you about it is because I was honored enough that Dave actually asked me to come and do an interview with him on his show recently. And that show will probably be out sometime mid-September, probably around September 18th. And it was a fun conversation, so I think it would be worth keeping an eye out for it and having a listen. And if you haven't checked out Dave's podcast yet, please go and do so, because I think it's valuable. It makes a good contribution to the pipe smoking community, and it's worth a listen. So I'll put some info in the basement about it, and then you can go and check it out there. And then next week, we'll be back on to the Butcher Kern pipe restoration project that I'm working on, and I'm going to show you how that is progressing along. Until then, goodbye.